However, it imparts its unresolved issues standard BMW 2 Series. The 2023 M2 takes that vehicle's as of now great execution and turns the intensity far up. Besides the fact that it sports a racier appearance and a case tuned for exciting dealing with, however, its twin turbocharged inline-6 siphons out 453 torque, only 20 short of the result of the M3's standard motor. Like the past M2, the enhanced one utilizes back-tire drive and accompanies a standard 6-speed manual transmission, so we're trusting it likewise protects its ancestors' great driving way of behaving. The new age M2 includes more tech than the final remaining one, including BMW's most recent iDrive 8 infotainment interface and a going with computerized dashboard. A large group of driver help highlights is presently accessible as well. The M2's exhibition potential, joined with its liberal standard gear, implies it's probably going to be a twofold danger, both a track day legend and a truly intriguing day-to-day driver. The 2023 M2 is controlled by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-litre inline-6, which produces an incredible 453 strength and 406 pound-foot of force. This is the very motor that is standard in ME's and M4S, however here it makes 20 less drive. Its force yield is indistinguishable, notwithstanding. All M2s are back-tire drive, and purchasers can browse either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed programmed transmission. We gauge that the M2 will hit 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds when outfitted with the discretionary 8-speed programmed. Requesting the standard 6-speed manual transmission will probably bring about a somewhat more slow outcome in a similar measurement. Obviously, it wouldn't be a M vehicle without an extraordinarily tuned suspension and different other case upgrades that assist it with being the fastest rendition of the 2 Series to circle a race circuit. We got an opportunity to test drive a Model M2 on a circuit in Austria at the same time. Tragically, our experience was stopped by a weighty downpour. At the point when we got in the driver's seat on American streets, we were stricken with the M2's street habits, which are both athletic and refined. We're anticipating trying the M2 for ourselves at our own track, and when we do we'll refresh this story with subtleties. Inside, the M2 includes a similar design as the normal 2 Series car. Traveler space is copious for front seat riders, yet those consigned to the back might be wishing you had jumped on a 3 Series car. The plan is shocking, and the front seats highlight sensational supporting and light up M logos. Settle on the carbon fiber bundle and a layer of the stuff is hung on different surfaces of the M2's lodge, and those game seats are traded out for much more forceful body embracing containers that are said to save 24 pounds of weight.